Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investment. We are still in the same boat. This video is more about validation of the previous video. Previous video, I told that uh, Russia has stopped buying Indian. Reliance has stopped buying Indian Russian oil, and Tejas crashed. And this video is morely about validating. And I also predicted that market will be on a downturn today. So because rupee got weaker and dollar got strengthening. So if you want markets to stocks and real estate to do well, you need the dollar to come down. But the dollar price is shooted up like anything. So it's expected for stocks to fall down. Uh, Reliance industry faced a crash. I lost a lot of money in my portfolio today. I lost about 1,000 bucks. Reliance crashed, as well as Reliance, BLS, and uh, Bharat Electronics faced a lot crash. Bharat Electronics, I am very happy the crash was coming because I wanted to buy some stock. You know, so I hope it comes to my target area of around 380. I think I set that target price. So I hope it comes down to that price, so that I can buy it. Right now it's overvalued like anything. So I would be interested in I would be interested in placing some buy orders around this price. So I would be interested in this. It would be my target area to place some, place some long term, place some orders for the long term. And Reliance is another one, also crashed today. But I read this, Reliance has offered, Russian oil was offered to India with even more deep discounting. Rosneft and Lukoil is one of the two biggest supplier of oil to India, and even more with more deep discount they are willing to offer to India. Then that's a good sign, right? Because that's good sign, and whether India would take it, I'm not sure. So we have to see how market will react to this news. And coming to my short position, and coming to my short position, and I'll give more details on Bharat Electronics. So Bharat Electronics also crashed. All the defense sector stocks stats crashed. If you look at data patterns also crashed a lot. Crashed today. HL was one of the biggest crashes today. HL crash was one of the biggest crashes today. And what else? Bell, and guess what? With all this good defensive companies crashing today, which stock crash increased? ITI, one of the worst stocks which barely gets any contract from government. That stock shooted up for no reason. I'm not sure because of a good Q2, and it didn't even report a good Q2. All it did was beat last quarter, and that's all. And losses. Look at the losses. It's even more worse. It's worse. And still the stock shooted up 9%. I tried to short the stock. It didn't pan out my way. So I shorted the stock actually. Where is ITI? I lost 80. I lost 83 rupees. But I'll be keeping my eyes on this stock tomorrow, and I will be shorting it tomorrow as well. And coming to my because Bharat Electronics short was imminent because Tejas uses which crashed uses Bell's Avonics. So that crash was imminent. So I was sure the Bharat Electronics would crash today. So we would see how market. I hope it crashes more. I would be interested in buying Bharat Electronics at very good prices. I think I can get it to 490. If it gets it to 495, I would be placing a very few orders to it. And coming to my short today, I posted a video recently. Not in recently, I posted a Reddit post. People were defending the stock. First of all, how is this even? How do? And I'm so happy. I took some money out of this stupid investors of physics wala. This tuition center doesn't deserve to be here. Every day when I see this stock, I get something of a motivation to get the stock to the so bad. Now I don't even care about the technicals. I just place a short around here. Even with this big crash, I placed a short. It went up. It shot. It went above. I closed my position fully after this around 3 o'clock. I was up about 400 bucks today. I was sure but around 3 o'clock, whenever there's a bullish nature, the markets tend to go up a lot after 3 o'clock. Whenever there's a bearish nature, the markets tend to go up. During bearish time, so around 3 o'clock. So I saw it happening, so I closed my position quickly at 3 o'clock. Normally, I would hold my position till 3:15, but I wanted to protect my profit, so I closed it out quick. I am so frustrated. I wanted it to get 500 bucks profit, at least 500 profit today. But I'm not. I can only just react to market. I cannot predict the market. Eternal also is market is reacting to news more than fundamentals. Eternal also I tried to short it, but it didn't got. I lost 59 bucks. I closed out this magnetic cloud. I did very well. Uh, I I studied the balance sheet of the company. Company is mostly reliant on debt. The cash flow of this company is very bad, and it's just reacting to the word cloud. People don't really study the balance sheet. They don't do fundamental analysis. So I started reacting. Saw the balance sheet. I opened up a short, I think on Friday, and again I opened up a short today, and again I opened up a short today. At perfectly at 9:15, and it closed out. I made a lot of money from this stock, especially. So we would see, and grow also. I saw it. I wanted to short it. It was growing a bit. Grow was growing a bit. Nice rhythm rhyme there. So grow was rising at around market open. I wanted to short the stock, but considering how much attention this company is getting, this could be a Palantir. I'm not sure. This could be a Palantir level. I thought this would get a Palantir level hype, so I didn't want to short it, but I missed out on this trade. So I'm very sad. Instead of shorting Eternal, I should have just went for the stock, but I took it. I didn't short because of I consider the risk as well, because the hype of it was like this could get the same hype as Palantir, because Grow is an amazing company. It's a machine. It has good backing from top VC when before it IPO'd, and it is a very good company which I would be considering investing in it for the long term. I hope it faces the same crash as Eternal, faces the same crash as Eternal as because then I would be accumulating a lot here. I'll be buying at least 10k worth of stocks here for Grow, and it could face and wish it faces the same hype as Eternal, because I like this company a lot. Grow, it cash flows are good. It cash flows very nicely. It has a good market share in brokerage industry. So I'm really looking forward to buying more. So I'm just waiting for the stock to reach around 50 to 60. just the same hype as Crow, same hype as Eternal. I'm waiting to reach here. Then I'll be start accumulating more here. Physics wala, I hope it becomes another Ola Electric. Every day I see this stock. I made a quite a lot of money from this short. You know, I'm just following the trend here because it doesn't deserve a market cap of 38,000 crores at a loss of, and it's still making loss still at a loss making company. So yeah, that's it. That's it from me today. So we'll see how market reacts to tomorrow. I'll be taking short position on physics wala ITI. Tomorrow my watch list will be physics wala ITI. I want this to be shorting it till it reaches $50. After that, let retailers have the money to them. Let them think this is a Palantir level hype or something. I seriously thought this would be. People are seriously calling this Palantir. Every day I see this stock, I just hate seeing this stock. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.